Did you know not all fats are created equal? Belly fat is more than just a nuisance that makes your clothes feel tight. It's more than an aesthetic problem. This type of fat, known as visceral fat, is the most dangerous and can lead to serious health issues. Yes, you should be concerned and work to eliminate it once and for all. And here's the thing, you don't have to be overweight or obese to have visceral fat surrounding your internal organs. Even thin people can have it, so pay close attention. In this video, you'll learn how to get rid of belly fat for good, the kind of dangerous fat that's lurking inside. We will cover 5 science-backed steps to beat belly fat that you can start implementing today. These steps will improve your overall health, boost your energy, reduce inflammation, and prevent the harmful consequences that belly fat can bring. So, stay tuned until the end because this topic is crucial for your health. But first, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel to not miss out on our health tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss notifications for our new videos. It's also very important to share this knowledge with your friends and family. After all, when it comes to your health, sharing is caring. Let me know. Do you have belly fat? Have you tried everything but still can't get rid of it? And where are you watching from? Let's jump into the 5 science-backed steps to beat belly fat. Let's begin. There are 2 types of fat in your belly: subcutaneous fat, which lies just beneath the skin, and visceral fat, which is buried deeper, surrounding your organs. This second type of fat, the visceral kind, is the dangerous one, not the fat that causes love handles. Visceral fat wraps around your liver, stomach, kidneys, and intestines, acting like an endocrine organ that's metabolically active. What does that mean? Visceral fat produces substances that interfere with hormones that regulate your appetite, mood, brain function, and cortisol, the stress hormone. It can also increase inflammation in your body, raising your risk for insulin resistance, prediabetes, diabetes, fatty liver disease, high blood pressure, heart disease, and even cancer. Not all fat is equal, and the location where it accumulates matters. That's why we see the difference between apple-shaped obesity, where fat accumulates around the belly, and pear-shaped obesity, where fat is stored in the legs and hips. The apple shape is more dangerous for your health. So, why are you accumulating belly fat? There are 4 key reasons. You're seriously stressed. High cortisol levels trigger insulin release, increase your appetite, and promote belly fat storage while breaking down muscle mass. You're eating the wrong foods. Trans fats, found in processed foods, actively contribute to belly fat accumulation. You're drinking too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption increases calorie intake and interferes with fat burning. You have poor gut bacteria diversity. An imbalance in gut bacteria can increase the likelihood of belly fat accumulation. How do you know if you have too much visceral fat? You can measure your waist to estimate your visceral fat levels. Stand straight and wrap a measuring tape around your waist, just above the navel. A waist circumference of over 88 centimeters, 35 inches, for women, and over 102 centimeters, 40 inches, for men indicates a higher risk of visceral fat-related health problems. Now, let's dive into the 5 steps to beat belly fat. Step 5. Boost your metabolism. Focusing on belly fat alone won't work. It's your habits, what you eat, drink, and burn, that will make a difference. A faster metabolism helps burn fat more effectively. To boost your metabolism, focus on aerobic exercise, strength training, and increasing your protein intake. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is especially effective in reducing belly fat quickly, as it keeps your metabolism elevated for hours after exercise. Strength training also helps by building muscle mass, which in turn burns fat more efficiently. Step 4. Improve your nutrition. To lose fat, focus on whole foods rich in fiber, healthy fats like avocados and olive oil, and lean proteins. While exercise is essential, the key to fat loss lies more in your diet. Eating a balanced diet with a variety of nutrients is far more effective than any quick fixes or single food solutions. Step 3. Cut your carbohydrates. Not all carbs are bad, but refined carbohydrates like white bread, sugary drinks, and sweets are the main culprits in belly fat accumulation. Studies show that sugary beverages are the biggest offenders, so eliminating them can dramatically reduce visceral fat. Step 2. Lower your cortisol levels. Cortisol, the stress hormone, plays a huge role in belly fat storage, especially the deeper visceral fat. Reduce your stress levels through exercise, mindfulness practices, and ensuring you get enough sleep. Proper sleep is crucial for balancing cortisol levels and maintaining a healthy metabolism. Step 1. Optimize your gut health. Your gut microbiome affects how your body stores fat. Eating a diet rich in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supports a healthy gut flora. You can also consider taking probiotics like Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Bifidobacterium animalis, which have been shown to reduce belly fat in some studies. Now that you've learned the 5 steps to reduce belly fat, here are 5 extra tips to eliminate those dangerous pounds surrounding your organs. Set clear goals. Aiming for specific, achievable goals increases your chances of success. For example, losing 3 kilograms in 1 month is more motivating than aiming for 10 kilograms over 4 months. Don't let dieting dominate your life. Constantly thinking about food can backfire. Instead, focus on the bigger picture and give yourself flexibility. Get support from friends. Losing weight with friends or family can boost your success rate by 20%. Celebrate small victories. Rewarding yourself for short-term goals keeps you motivated for long-term success. Remember that belly fat loss is about health. Reducing visceral fat is not just about aesthetics. It's about improving your overall health and longevity. If you follow these steps and see results, share your progress in the comments to inspire others. I'm rooting for you and all the members of this community to succeed.